Hi, Albert here with Mainland Cycle Center. Today I want to show you a 2018 Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT EPS, and this is in the Timberline Green. This is one that we've added a few things to. We started putting a lift kit on it, so it's got a bracket lift, and then we upgraded the wheels and tires. We added a 14-inch wheel from Quad Boss. I believe this is called the Grinder, is the name of this wheel, and then we have a set of Sedona Ripsaw tires, 28-inch Ripsaw tires. Popular tire. We do quite a bit of these because it's a nice ride on hard surface, has these really nice deep lugs, so just a good all-terrain tire. You can do a tire geared more towards mud if you want, but this will work good in a little bit of everything. We also added the Kawasaki accessory rear bumper there, and then the Kawasaki accessory front brush guard here. And then this has a new roof that we just started carrying. This is from a company called Ranch Armor, and cool roof, all steel, has these really nice square tubing, some angle here, square tubing there, another channel there, but several supports, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supports down the roof, plus it's made pretty thick, powder coated black, has this I don't know if this is laser cut or water cut design, little Texas emblems on it, kind of open at the back, got a little rain drip edge on the front, and then this one has the 10-inch overhang. We can do this with a standard, would be like a 6-inch, so standard would come to about there or so, and then, but this has, I believe it's called a 10-inch overhang on it, and you can see that little rain drip edge on the front. It's got some nice little slots, really easy to mount a light bar on the front of that. Anyway, very cool roof, certainly strong enough that you can stand on it, but so a new roof option for some of our builds. Of course, the Mule Pro FXTs, really great machine. These have been really popular for a number of reasons. They've got fully independent suspension. They're a super smooth ride. Top speed of 46 miles an hour. It's not a hot rod, but it runs good. Most of our customers, this is plenty fast enough. They don't have much desire to go faster than that. Okay, I always like to say it's fast enough for everything but a drag race. And so if you're trying to win a race, maybe you want to go a little faster, but otherwise there's not much need to go faster. And then these have a Kawasaki strong 3-year warranty, so the best warranty in the business. The other thing that makes these machines really great is the fact that you get this dual bench seats in this short wheelbase unit. And then what's unique about the Kawasaki is you have the ability to fold up this rear seat. So this rear seat would fold forward and the bed would extend forward. So you can have a single bench seat with a long bed, or dual bench seats as you see here with a short bed. Now, one of the things that you'll notice here is that this rear seat is elevated above the front seat. So it's what Kawasaki calls stadium seating. And so a really nice riding experience for your rear seat passengers. You can see your fuel fill there. Very roomy, has these great easy open doors. We just love the doors on these. They're so much easier than some of our competitors that have the nets and things. These are just like that, closed. Very easy. Liquid cooled. This is an 820cc, I think it's 812 cc's, 3-cylinder liquid cooled fuel injected motor. The motors in these, they just purr. They're very smooth. They're very quiet. There's not a lot of noise in the cabin at all. One of the quietest machines on the market. So these machines just really have a great, as you can see, they're highly accessorizable, and we haven't gone over the top with this build. We can add a windshield, we can add light bars, we can add a winch, we can do different wheels and tires. You tell us what works for you and we'll build one just for you. That's not a problem at all. But this one's being built for the showroom floor, and we'll offer it for sale just like this, and maybe the customer will buy it as is, and maybe they'll take it to the next level and add a few more things. But we really like to leave it up to the customer to decide what it is they want. All right, tilt steering wheel, power steering on this model, parking brakes there on the dash. This is 6 passengers, so you can seat 3 adults across the front, 3 adults across the rear. Take a look at the dash here. So we've got some switches here. So we've got locking and unlocking rear differential, selectable 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, headlights off, low, and high beam. And then you've got some blanks here where you can install additional switches for additional accessories. So if you add some light bars or whatever you want to add, a winch, there's a place to put those switches. And if we add a lot of stuff, we'll even overflow and install some switches in that area there. But digital instrumentation, speedometer, fuel gauge, tells you if you're in two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, odometer, hour meter, all of that good stuff. A couple of 12-volt power outlets there. Got a real nice sized glove box there. There's a drink holder at the end of each end of the dash. Sport style steering wheel, we talked about a little bit there. Low, high, neutral, and reverse. But these things are really quiet. So we crank that up, and there's steering wheel, nothing shaking. You can barely feel the engine running, and it's certainly quiet enough that I can still talk over the video without it being real noisy or anything. And when you drive it, it's really just as quiet. It really does nice. Let's see, what else can we tell you about the Mule Pro FXTs? Just really solid machines. Kawasaki just really hit a home run with this machine. All right, well, that's a look at this 2018 Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT EPS in Timberline Green. All right, we are Mainland Cycle Center. We're located in Marque, Texas. We're about 30 minutes south of downtown Houston, just off of I-45. You can find us online at mainlandcyclecenter.com or by phone at 409-948-4969. And we would just love it if you'd give us a call, shoot us an email, or even better, get on down here to Mainland Cycle Center, where we'd love to help any way that we can. Hey, thanks for watching.